Chapter 49. What Pod is up to. We now see Pod, alone, coming out of an overnight hotel, and walking around the outside of the world, Garup, surrounded by many vehicles, an airport planet in a nutshell. Pod is looking for a vehicle himself, where he can find the Morphils after Opusnost helped drop Pod off. It's only been a few days after the events of Torrid after all. Pod has an eye on a good vehicle, a caravan one where he can sleep while he makes his way, the ship being named the Caravani. The Caravani was mainly grey, with a front windscreen with 2 windows around the back of the sides of the vehicle. There are also small parts that aid the steering as it goes through any air, those are blue just like the back engine. Thanks to some tips from Opusnost. Pod does make himself more fearsome, and so manages to talk his way to get the ship from the salesman, a salesman who is like a green lobster, hunched over, half of Pod's height, armed with pincers and a hard-scaled back. Pod provides ice as payment once again. The payment that doesn't work but can melt infinitely, which means an unlimited water source. The salesman did let this pass. Not only was he threatened, but having unlimited water would be anyone's wish. Pod recently has covered himself in ice armor, hiding all his features. So no one recognizes him. This armor was formed via his powers, and he can remove any part by melting it, which he will do if important. So, Pod gets himself the ship and off he goes, sitting in silence, letting the ship fly via autopilot, making him wonder about the future. He doesn't miss the Legion, but he is still sad about Arvin, not to mention he wishes for some advice from Mike. But Pod believes that the Morphils need to be sorted out now. Without any help, he has an element after all, and thanks to his practice, he thinks he will be able to have the upper hand. While the trust between him and the Legion isn't as low compared to when Pod first arrived on Earth, it is more of a case of Pod using his initiative, knowing the Legion may helping against other situations. And he does debate whether he should come back to the Legion or not. With that view, he then starts to prepare himself, putting on a mindset where he will be showing no mercy to any Morphils, especially Mechajaw, both nervous and keen to fight.